So we just came in this park. It holds 650 veteran trees, aged over 800 years old, which means it was alive before the land was disclosed as a deer park in 1241. Alright. Can you put arms around this tree? Go for it. See,
So big.
it's so big, so old. It's literally, look, there's massive hole inside. Oh my God. Look, you can hide in there. All right, let's get to other. Come on. Come on. Get in there.
I'm good. That's the window. It's a house.
Yes.
Someone living there.
Okay. Go
I'm
on.
in the house.
One more. You can go in there
This
as
is
well.
my house in real life.
So two. Go anywhere. Let's go.
Break on me. Dad, look right there. Let me try to climb that. Hey, Dad, look at the redwood.
Oh.
Look at that. Come around.
Whoa.
Look. Look at the mushroom.
Oh yeah.